Dear cadets, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It's Ghulam Izdan, Associate Professor of Statistics from Borishal Cadet College to have a delivery on online class with you. You know your normal classes are disrupted due to the worldwide crisis COVID-19. But we can't sit idle, indicating that problems. That is why we have arranged these online classes so that your learning process may continue at a satisfactory level. Today, I have designed my class on the topic index number. Okay, boys, let's start from learning outcomes. After this lesson, cadets will be able to explain index number and its necessity, various kinds of index number, also explain the characteristics of index number, uses of index number, simple and weighted index number. Dear cadets, now the introduction of index number. An index number measures the relative change in price, quantity, value, or some other item of interest from one time period to another. Dear cadets, a simple index number measures the relative change in one or more than one variable. Dear cadets, now the definition of index number. According to Spiegel, an index number is a statistical measure designed to measure changes in a variable or a group of related variables with respect to time, geographical location, or other characteristics such as income, profession, etc. Dear cadets, now according to Pathamson, an index number is the ratio of two index numbers as a percent. An index number is a statistical measure, a measure designed to show changes in one variable or a group of related variables over time with respect to geographical location or other statistics. Dear cadets, according to Tutley, an index number is a single ratio or a percentage which measures the combined changes of several variables between two different times, places, or situations. Dear cadets, we can thus say that index numbers are economic barometers to judge the inflation or deflationary tendencies of economy. They help the government in adjusting its policies in case of inflationary situations. Dear cadets, here inflation means increase in prices and deflation means decrease in prices. Dear cadets, now the characteristics of index number. Firstly, index numbers are expressed in terms of percentages to show the extent of relative change. Secondly, index numbers measure relative changes. They measure the relative change in the value of a variable or a group of related variables over a period of time or between places. Thirdly, index numbers measures changes which are not directly measurable. And finally, the cost living, the price level or the business activity in a country are not directly measurable, but it is possible to study relative changes in these activities by measuring the changes in the values of variables or factors which affect these activities. Dear cadets, now the uses of index number. Index number help in framing suitable policies. Secondly, index number reveal trends and tendencies. And finally, index number are very useful in developing. Dear cadets, now the types of index number. Index numbers are names after the activity they measured. There are three types of index number. Firstly, price index number. Secondly, quantity index number. And thirdly, value index number. Now, the price index number. What is price index number? Price index number measures changes in price over a specified period of time. Dear cadets, it is basically the ratio of the price of a certain number of commodities at the present year as against base year. Now, the quantity index number. Quantity index number is basically the ratio of the quantity of a certain number of commodities at the present year as against base year. As the name suggests, these indices pertain to measure changes in volume of commodities like goods produced or goods consumed, etc. Dear cadets, now the value index number. Value index number, this pertain to compare changes in the monetary value of imports, exports, productions, or consumption of commodities. Now, price index 125 means the price level in the current year is 125% of price level in the base year. Secondly, average price level in 1990 is double the average price level in 1980, means index numbers of price for 1990 with base year 1990 is 200. Thirdly, index number for 1995 with the base year 1970 is 325, means average price level has increased by 225% from 1970 to 1995. Dear cadets, now the methods of index number. Up to this time, various formulas have been devised for constructing index number. We can arrange them under two types. Number one, unweighted indices, and number two, weighted indices. The unweighted indices is two types, that is simple aggregate method, number two, simple average relative method. And weighted indices are of two types. Number one, weighted aggregate method. Number two, weighted average relative method. Dear cadets, now the simple aggregative method. It consists in expressing the average price of all commodities in the current year as a percentage of the average aggregative price in the base year. That is P0 on equal to summation P on divided by summation P0 into 100. Here P0 on equal to the index number of the current year, and summation P1 equal to total of the current year's price of all commodities, and summation P0 equal to total of the base year's price of all commodities. Dear cadets, here is the example. Example 1. From the data given below, construct the index number for the year 2008 on the base year 2007 in Bangladesh. Here some commodities like sugar, milk, oil, wheat, clothing. Units are given quintal, liter, quintal, meter. And the price of the base year equal to 2218, 68, 950. And the price of the current year P1, that is 3220, 71, 1000, and finally 60. Now the solution. Dear cadets, we know the index number for 2008 P01 equal to summation P1 divided by summation P0 into 100. Here, the base year price P0 equal to 2218, 68, 900, and 50. So the summation of P0, that is the sum of the base year price, equal to 3236, and summation P1, that is sum of the price of current year P1 equal to 4351. Now putting the value of summation P1 and summation P0. Finally, we get the index number for 2008 P01 equal to 134.45. It means the price in 2008 were 33.45% higher than the previous year. Dear cadets, now the simple average of relatives methods. We know that the formula P01 equal to summation P1 divided by P0 into 100 divided by N, where N is the number of items. That is, the current year price is expressed as a price relative of the base year. These price relatives are then averaged to get the index number. The average used could be arithmetic mean geometric mean or even median. Here P01 equal to summation P1 by P0 into 100 divided by N is the arithmetic mean. Here summation P1 by P0 means the current year price is expressed as a price relative of the base year. When geometric mean is used, then log P01 equal to summation log P1 by P0 into 100 divided by N. Now the example 2. From the data given below, construct the index number for the year 2008, taking 2007 as by using arithmetic mean. Here the commodities are P, Q, R, S, T. And the price of the base year P0 equal to 6, 2, 4, 10, and 8. And the price of the current year P1 equal to 10, 2, 6, 12, and 12. Dear cadets, now the solution. We note that the formula P01 equal to summation P1 by P0 into 100 divided by 10. Now, price of the base year is given 6, 12, 4, 10, and 18. And price of the current year P1 equal to 10, 2, 6, 12, and 12. So you have to find the price relative, that is P1 by P0 into 100. Here P1, suppose P1 equal to 10 and P0 equal to 6. That is 10 divided by 6 into 100, that is 166.7, and so on. Finally, we get summation P1 by P0 into 100 equal to 603.37. Now, putting the value, we get the index number P01 equal to 120.63. Now, any question? Dear cadets, here is your homework. The data are given. From the data, lifestyle expenditure of Mr. Anand's family are given above. Mr. Ayman comments his expenditure is comparatively increasing on and half times from 2018 to 2019. Now the question A. what is price index number. And the question B, index number is called the barometer of economics. Explain. Question C, on the basis of the STEM, find out the price index number by using simple aggregate method. And question D, explain the accuracy of Mr. Ayman's comment. Dear cadets, thank you for your sincere participation of my class. I think you will view it again at your own convenience. Another significant point, dear cadets, you must bear in your mind that we are now passing a very crucial moment. COVID-19 has made our life unstable. You should be serious enough to cope up this situation with much care and responsibility. Please don't go outside at any rate. Remain confined completely within your own residence. Enjoy the prolonged vacation and make your study regularly. Spend your time and pleasant moments with your parents, brothers, sisters at your own residence. Stay home and fine, dear cadets. Thank you.